What drives me is doing woodwork. Capture it in a way that's visually pleasing. Sitting down in peace, focusing on all the components that goes into crafting what will eventually become a video. The colors, sounds, the entire process is what I get lost in. This summer has been all about client work. Making videos wasn't really on my mind at all. One day I went through some listings of used stuff online. I came across this vintage lens from the 70s. This caught my attention as I really never tried shooting with something like this. Everything manual, no automatic focusing, no stabilization, no simple way out of a shot. A friend of the family needed some help making a new wooden door for her barn. And I thought I'd bring the lens to test it out while I was making the door. As this was a side project I could take my time with. Yeah, the lens was quite hard to work with. Very different from what I was used to. It was challenging pulling the focus and getting it all right. But I was really struck by how nice the images got from this whole thing. I ended up enjoying using it a lot. Sometimes constraint is a good thing. It forces you to think differently and find new ways around the work. This old simple lens forced me to pay more attention to the composition, the focusing, and how I expose the image. This old piece of glass is what got me out of a rut. So this is how the door turned out. Just wanted to drop by and say that I am truly grateful for you watching and supporting the channel. Take care.